Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad S340. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from various causes, including a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more serious damage, leaving you without your device for longer. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power connector if needed. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the laptop over and removing the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as they can be of different lengths. Once the screws are out, carefully insert your plastic spudger into the seam and gently pry open the back panel. Now, take a moment to locate the power connector on the motherboard. This is usually situated near the battery. If you're unsure, consult the service manual or look for online guides specific to your model. Once you've identified the faulty component, carefully disconnect it by gently pulling the connector straight out. Avoid tugging on the wires themselves to prevent damage. After removing the old part, take your replacement power connector and align it with the socket on the motherboard. Firmly but gently press it into place until you hear a click. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before reassembling, double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. Replace the back panel and reinsert the screws, making sure each screw goes back into its original hole. Tighten them just enough to secure the panel without over-tightening, which can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, plug in your laptop and try turning it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly check your power supply and battery health. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.